So today we're working on a Samsung dryer. Customer complaint was there's a lot of squeaking and noise. This is the idler pulley here, and we can kind of hear it squeaking right there. And me, I got a new one here. We'll open it up and we'll install it. And this one up here is the new one compared to the old one. As we can see, there's a lot less friction to it. Should be a happy dryer after the install. So the new one is installed, and for this old one we can also see how it's broken here and has this excess play as well. So